Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS, applied visual design, and we're going to learn about keyframes and animation in this one. So with animations, let's talk about that first. There's 8 main CSS animation properties. And then we're going to work on 2 of them today in this exercise. The first one is animation name, which sets the name of the animation. And this is important because when we do keyframes, we have to identify the name of the animation to change it, adjust it. And next we're going to learn about animation duration, which is the length of the time of the animation, and it takes in seconds. So we see here, this is the div, this is the ID selector we're identifying from the HTML, giving it the animation name colorful and then a duration of 3 seconds. Now with keyframes, we talk about what's going to happen during that duration, and it goes from 0 to 100%. So in this exercise, we do add keyframes and the name of the animation colorful, which is here. And then this is the syntax of it. And it goes from 0% at that what we want to do is have a background of blue. And then at 100%, it changes it to yellow. So we can, for this exercise, we're going to do one. So we're going to use the ID rect by giving the animation name to rainbow. And then the animation duration of 4 seconds. And now we do the background, the keyframes, to do the background. And then rainbow, because that's the name of it. And at 0%, background color is blue. You can see it changes here, but it's at 0%, and then it changes back. And then the middle is 50% to green. And we're going to see it changes to green too. And then 100% to yellow. Now we can see here, blue, green, and then yellow within 4 seconds. And that's it. Thank you so much.